big win, tigil ng laban. Anong masasabi mo dun sa pinakita ng composure?
Well, this is the kind of game na kailangan ma-experience namin at the early start of this conference. And because the last game we had against Titans is really frustrating, and we thought na that kind of game is could give us some trouble. But I'm so happy tonight because nakita natin yung tunay na laro ng San Miguel. In a close fight talagang nakapokus sila. Unlike yung last game, I think everybody was so out-focused because we give up a lot of pass break points and then turnover points, and that's huge, But tonight, still give up 16 pass break points and 21 turnover points. So that's huge pa rin, And slowly, siguro, we can recover, siguro, tama-tama on our next game. But our next game is really a fantastic team because of the kind of player they have. And everybody was so inspired with their import ball. And I hope na this kind of game we played give us some inspiration, and to compete with them. Because if we lost tonight, I think that game is really difficult for us the next game. Because the morale of the player is too low, and after losing Titans, so give us a lot of two sleepless nights, But I'm so happy. This guy, Junmar Fajardo, really focused on this game, and he told me before in the last 2 days, Coach, bawi tayo, and that's what he showed today with 27 points and 17 rebounds. I think he's close to his average. But I'm so happy with the players. So many players nag-step up.
Tapos mo na sa game na double against Idol Kevin, Justin, dahil sa nagkikiparan niya.
Yun nga, credit kina-boss sa mga coaching staff, and then sa mga teammates ko, nag-step up kami lahat sa game na to. Yun nga lang, kailangan namin i-minimize yung namin, yung turnovers, Pops? Turnovers namin, sobrang dami namin turnovers. So, ayun, pero good thing nakuha namin yung panalo to. Kasi nga, mabilis lang yung conference na to. So, kailangan mas possible makakuha kami ng maraming panalo.
Coach, lumakas na sa nilang ni Marcus Lee, double-double, at least. Compared sa last game, medyo mababa yung scoring, sasabi sa nila.
Yeah, after last game, he approached me and Coach G, and then he told us na, Coach, next game, what happened last game will never happen again. And that's what he promised to us. But of course, you can see tweet naman to him na still adjusting to the kind of game we have. And medyo nawawala pa rin siya. But I'm so happy sa kanyang ginawang defense tonight, and almost triple-double siya sa kanyang scoring, double figures sa rebounds, sa scoring, and then 7 assists. Pwede nga namin gawing point guard sila. And then, kasi he could bring the ball because there's a lot of players talagang pinipressure yung point guard namin. And I'm so happy also Miller was able to get plenty of time, and he was able to play well. And then I hope na his game will continue until next game because we need somebody who could pressure the big guards, and he's one of them. Okay, and ayun, everybody was so focused tonight, and then makikita natin unlike nung last game parang namamasyal pa sa luneta.
Kasi coach, yung ni Chris Miller, yung talagang plano ko, kasi may mga big guards na yung converse, yung talaga yung plano nyo gawin kasi dami nga yung minuto
Actually, in the first game, he's in my plan. because it's about time for him to play a little bit longer because he's doing well in practice. And makikita natin And then kanina, I'm so happy with him dahil everybody's cheering for him. Dahil alam natin I think the adjustment period is a little bit medyo nahihirapan pa siya. But with this game, I hope this will give him some confidence. And it will be good for the team because this win could inspire us going to the next game namin on Saturday against Stock and Tex.
Yun ang actually Coach Leon na importante nga ito yung manalo kayo hindi kasi delikado yung 0-2. Pero sa iba personally, okay ako sa si Coach Leon na sinabi mo na lumamit tayo. Nasa isip mo rin ba na hindi dapat bumaba sa 0-2 yung San Miguel kasi economist mo rin sabi na mabilis ng conference.
Yun nga. Hindi to tulad nung last conference na nag-start kami 0-2. Kasi all Filipino din ngayon kasi tapos mahaba kasi yung conference na yun like ngayon sobrang bilis lang halos every other day yung game tapos sunod-sunod na so mahirap pag nabaon kasi sa standing tapos malakas yung mga teams ngayon walang mahina na teams ngayon sa liga so ayun kailangan talaga makakuha kami ng panalo ng maaga kasi hirap pag nabaon so tapos magkakagulo sa pagdating ng video so dapat makakuna pero yun nga hindi yun madali kailangan nag-require na maraming preparation so ayun.
Good morning. May dalawang sticks ka kanina tapos pass break tapos nagpasa mo. Let's your thoughts naman.
Feeling ko bilis ko kanina. Wala lang. Siyempre
Instinct.
Read lang. Pero yun nga, nahihirapan din yung kalaban niya kasi nandun si Marco sa ilalim, sobrang haba niya. So, yun kaya nakakakuha kami ng steam. Tapos maganda yung maganda yung interior namin. So, sana masustain namin sa mga remaining games namin.
Wilmar, dami nyo nakalabang former NBA players and NBA players. Yung next game nyo sa tingin mo gano'ng maging ka-different against sa ball.
For sure, mahirapan kami. Pero yun nga, 5-on-5 naman to, hindi naman to 1-on-1. So, kung matapat sa akin si Ball, gagawin ko yung best ko na ma-stop siya. Hindi ko man siya total ma-stop, at least malimit ko man na siya. So, ayun pero may ilang days pa naman kami para maganda. So, paghanda namin ang gusto yung game na yan. Thank you.